responsibility for serious defects in original construction or refurbishment rests squarely with those who designed, specified, constructed or supervised the works, or who made false claims for construction products. Those responsible should not be allowed to collectivise their liability through an overall levy and thus avoid individual blame, or the culture will simply persist. The taxpayer should not fund this, other than to ensure a legislative framework, robust administration, early generation of remediation funds, and provide a fallback where all else fails. Funds already allocated should be for bridging and safety net purposes and not deplete other areas of departmental funding. Protracted legal proceedings and justice according to bank balance must be avoided. And this should be overseen by an independent national entity, although the Joint Inspection Team may have a role in assessing buildings and collecting evidence. These are the principles behind what is known as the PolluterPays Amendment, which has been gathering momentum for some months. I pay tribute to the Noble Lord, the Minister, for his engagement with this, and also to those whose persistence has now developed the concept to an advanced stage, and I hope the Government will adopt that. PolluterPays would create strict liability where it is found that buildings did not meet relevant standards at the time the work was carried out. That liability would cover interim safety measures and insurance premium increases. Once defect and involvement are known, liabilities towards owners would be established on a joint and several basis, so blame would not need to be apportioned. It would provide a relatively simple appeals system via the first-tier tribunal to prevent leaseholders facing an unequal contest with large corporations. My Lords, these liabilities need to be taken on the chin. So no tax breaks, no side deals, no concessions or sweeteners, just the same transparent rules for everybody. Now, successive governments may have failed to regulate adequately after the Building Act 1984, but that Act did not remove anything from the principles of building regulations, British standards, codes of practice and other documents. Since 1965, the requirements have been clear, but elements of the construction industry have simply evaded obligations, and everyone knows it.